So let's make some shirts today. I feel like doing some shirts. I've got a couple of shirts, my paper. I've picked out a color. We're going to do the black shirt with the holographic paper. Y'all know that's my favorite. Look at that. Beautiful colors. As soon as you move it, it moves. It turns all different colors. So let's get this black shirt popping and see how it's going to come out. Yes. So I'm on the other side of the office today, and instead of me heating up my heat press, I think I'm going to use my circuit instead, just because it's a little quicker to heat up versus the big heat press, which takes a while. And I know y'all seen the circuit press. If you have a circuit and you're making items, shirts or whatever it is you're making. But of course, that's what it looks like. So we're going to use that because, like I said, it's quicker than heating up the heat press, which takes a minute. Okay, don't hate me. So you're going to take your shirt. You're going to smooth it out, position it in the middle, smooth it out. Okay. I mean, I don't measure because I'm used to doing shirts and things like that. But we're going to take and you're going to get the wrinkles out, additional to the moisture, so you can place your letters, whatever design that you choose on there, and you'll have a flat, smooth surface. So get your little, I'm going to put the words on. So this is what we'll be using today. The OKURRRRRR. That sounds so funny. That sounds so funny. But the sayings are cute. I love all the shirts with the sayings. So this design will be used. Now, it's on there, position where you want it. You're going to put the paper on top in order not to, burn it. We're going to put that press right there. Okay. That press is set to 328 Fahrenheit. We're going to press it for 30 seconds, put a little pressure on it, and take it off when it beeps. So let's wait. And it's finished. Now we're going to take off our paper. Now keep in mind, it is hot. It is hot. Okay, so be very careful. But for me, I usually take, a little face cloth and I'll rub it, back and forth a couple of times just to try to cool it off quicker, you know, so you can get it over and done with. Hey, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Look, see, it's still hot. It is still hot. So I'm going to rub that down so it can stick, stay stuck. Let's look at the other side. Let's see if we can peel it up from the other side. Because it's still a little warm. Nope. So we're just going to push that down and let it cool off a little. And boom, it's ready. So as you're peeling it off, I'm going to say be very careful because I know I have seen some people rip it off. You could be ripping off a letter, and that's not going to work because if you do that, I mean, it's basically over and done with. But hey, boom, there you go, nice and smooth, and there you have it. My beautiful OKURRRRRR shirt with the holographic letters. How cute is that? How cute is that? So, all finished on a hanger. You probably seen one of my other videos anyway, but I mean, there's a lot of sites that sell these shirts, a lot of companies and everything. Why purchase one? I mean, purchase one if you want to. If you have that circuit, I know you have that paper. So get there and make your own. You can run out to Walmart or somewhere and get your $6 to $7 shirt, and boom, you have your own OKURRRRR shirt that you made yourself. So, with that being said, look at those popping colors. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. How cute is that? The colors are just moving, moving, and moving. Bye, everyone.